Hello guys, welcome to my channel. That name is Sydney Waves. So today we will talk about the applications that we use in our Android phones. So as we all know that there are so many applications in Play Store, around 2 million applications in the Play Store, but we never use all those applications. We use only some applications. So today I will cover the topic of the important applications that we can use in our daily life and that will make us easier to work in our Android phone. So let's start with this. So first of all, I will just talk about the mail application that is the name is Newton Mail. So in Newton Mail application, so you can see here on the screen, there are, once you log in with your email address, so you can see here it's all the mails are here. You can just slide down it here and you can see the number of list. You can search it from the search box also, and once you click on Gmail you can see the inbox, unread and read messages. So once you type the mail to, if you want to send the mail to anyone, just go to send and type the name of that person or the email address of that person, then give the subject to the mail, then give the text. Let me show you. As I am typing, the subject name is test, and then yes, here it is. So I just typed the hello, and if you want to send, you can just send, click on send. And if you want to check, so there is some things there like notify me, alert test, and you can set the date and time also, schedule the mail also. If you don't want to send the mail right now, so you can just click on the schedule option and set the date and time also, so that you will get the notification to send the mail, and the mail will send automatically to that person. Okay, so here is the second topic, that is Drip, and this makes us easier to work with, to send any message or anything to any contact that contacts in our phone list. So let me show you some contacts. Here's a list of these things. Yes, here I select one contact. You can send it message, WhatsApp, reminder, Facebook, map, messenger, anything. These are some things. You can just drag it from here and you have to just drag and drop. So you have to just drop on these things. And here if you go to on settings, you can just see here. Yes, here's the setting also. Let me show you the setting. Yeah, you can see here on the screen there is one tabs are there: general, dialer. You can see the dialer and calls. You can block call, miss call, call recorder, and themes are here. You can select the theme if you like this, any theme from this, so you can select it also. And here's the contacts. You can see your contacts, call history, surname, and personalize. You can personalize it from here, orientation, and there is a okay. So the next application is KinScreen. KinScreen works only for the sensor basis. If you don't want to lock and unlock your phone again and again, so you can use this KinScreen phone. It works on the motion and the proximity sensor. So your proximity sensor on your screen, so if you click on, if you put the thumb on this sensor, so proximity light will blink in the red, and motion is there. If you move your device, so motion will be there. You can just select the turn on screen on and off. As I turn off the screen and I'm just moving my hand on my screen, so it's open now. You can see here. You can just try it by yourself also. Just install the application with the name of KinScreen, and you can do it from here also. No need to just put again and again. You can set it by here. And here is the Magnify application. So Magnify application will, you can set it from here also. So Magnify application will show you and give the help you to just tag and the things, like if you go in a travel, if you want to post some travel pictures, so you can just click on here and copy the tags from here. No need to type the tags again and again. As you can see here, you can schedule the tag also. And there are so many tags. You can select the fashion, nature, fitness, street food. There are so many blogs, there are so many groups in there: travel, fashion, nature, fitness, street food. You can select any one of these groups, and if you go in the setting, and you can check, yeah, you can copy the tags from the screen and do it. And if you go on the settings tab in the below mention, so you can schedule the tag also. Like, you can just click on add tag, so you can tag it, and if you want to schedule the post, you can just click on the schedule post, and that will notify you on that particular time and the date, so that you can just post your tag. It will not post automatically, but you have to tag, you have to do it, but it will show you and it will give you the notification of that thing, so that you can tag it. And if you go in the by pro version, so it will show you that what all other things pro contains. And now we'll talk about the battery history. Battery history is an application that you can also use it for the battery history. You can see the battery history, like how much battery your phone consumed, on which application is using so much battery, when you plugged your charger, how much time it is taking to charge the phone. Sometimes it is taking so much time, and sometimes it's charged like in speed and very fast. So you can see this also in battery history. And if you talk, you can see the battery usage here. Yeah, you can see the battery usage, and just yes, here. So battery usage is there, so you can see the battery usage also. And 3-day history, you can see the history also. And unplug log also there. If you go on menu, so you can just set the position of notification also, just like I'm putting it again, so here it is. Yes. Yes, the next application is StitchIt. So when you take the screenshot and you want to send any screenshot to anyone, you face so many problems, like you have to select all these screenshots in a manner, in the same manner, so that you can send it, so that that person whom you send that can read in properly in arranged order. And you have to take the screenshots again and again, you have to send it, select it again and again. So that application StitchIt will help you to send the screenshots, as I will show you. So just look at the screen, you can just click on this tab button, the plus sign that is in the right corner. So you have to just click on that after taking the screenshots, and you can just go ahead and check the screenshot in a manner, like I'm selecting from the below, as first one is first and second, third, fourth. So just here, and you can just tap on it and crop it also if you want to crop, like there is a black screen below that. So I'm just going and cropping all the images. So it will help you basically to send the screenshots and stitch all the screenshot in a single image, so that you can send it. And if you are using a free version, like as I'm using a free version, so it will only stitch and combine 3 screenshot, not more than that. And if you want to combine all this more than that, so you can just go and upgrade it to the pro version. That will cost you some amount, not more amount, but some amount there. As you can see here, I just stitch all the 3 screenshots, and I'm just selecting the color also. If you want to hide something, so you can just select the color, from which color, and just rub it on the screen, so it will just hide that thing. You can see here. And there is one mode also, you can just select the other mode, so it will just, you can do it not in a straight, you can just do it in and so I'm just processing it. So it's stitching all the image all 3 images in a single image. You can see here all the 3 images are here. So now you can send it to anyone so that they can see single image, like 3 images in a single image. So that is the Stitch application. That is very useful application nowadays because we have to send screenshots again and again to anyone. So that is a very useful application. You can send it. And here is the settings of this. So setting is the sounds. If you want to just sounds and watermark. So if you want to just disable the watermark, so you can just disable it. I also mentioned all the links of these applications in the description box that is below mentioned. So I hope you enjoyed this video. So if you enjoyed this video, so please like this video, subscribe the channel and share this video. And thanks for watching Sydney Waves. Bye bye.